These additional measures are part of our overall crime management strategy and will see a significant ramping up of police presence, particularly in the commercial districts and public spaces. This will be accompanied by other strategic, targeted, and intelligence-driven security operations to bolster public safety, maintain public order, deter acquisitive and violent crimes, and further disrupt the gangs that are the source of much of the crimes. These intensified safety and security measures are being put in place so that law-abiding Jamaicans can feel safe going about their daily lives and making their preparations for the end of this year activities. At this time of the year, people tend to want to celebrate irrespective of their challenges and should be able to do so without apprehension wherever they are. I have requested that the Commissioner of Police, supported by the Chief of Defence Staff and the instruction of the Prime Minister, put in place the requisite systems to reassure the people of Jamaica that everything is being done to intensify the work of the security forces in order to ensure public safety and good order.
We're going from this point forward to the end of the year, not only to secure our city and our town centers, our commercial areas for between now and the end of the year, but also as we go into next year, we want to set the conditions that we can have a successful year next year in terms of the safety of our public. I met with my divisional commanders on Monday and gave them a mandate around their town centers, but also a mandate around gangs, guns, and criminal leaders, i.e. dons. And they are to focus on that over the next 2 months.
One of the most significant features of this joint task force is the incorporation of over 400 new Jamaica National Service Corps graduates. These new soldiers have been extensively trained and are highly committed to playing their part and making their presence felt as a part of Jamaica's overall security infrastructure. We will also be committing the full gamut of our intelligence capabilities and some specialized equipment and resources to support and sustain continuous operations over the period. This will result in more snap raids, more patrols, more checkpoints, and overall more soldiers and police in the affected communities. We expect that our increased operations will assist the police in targeting and arresting and/or detaining gang members and other persons of interest while denying them the freedom of movement to carry out illegal activities. We will be especially vigilant in preserving secure public spaces, especially in and around commercial areas where persons are vulnerable to various types of crimes.
As we move into another end-of-year festive season, the government remains committed to providing a safe and secure environment for Jamaicans to conduct their commercial, religious, social, and economic activities. The people of Jamaica must be made to feel a heightened sense of safety going into the end of the year and beyond.